Are you looking for the perfect gift this holiday? Well, a gift that everyone with dry, chapped skin and low mood would enjoy in this cold, dry, dark month of the year. Hey, this is Kathy Evans, and I'm here to advocate for your physical and emotional wellness with the purest, safest, and most effective essential oils. So every year, doTERRA puts out a unique restorative lotion for the holiday. Well, they've outdone themselves with the Malama Nurturing Oil Blend. This emotionally uplifting blend calms the senses for those blah days. It has Hawaiian sandalwood or iliahi and magnolia, lemongrass, and wild orange. It's the perfect combination that smells like a warm tropical breeze that is just delightful. It's my personal favorite to perk up moods and boost the immune in the holiday gatherings, or just use it for me. So what is unique is that they infuse the Malama oil in the gentlest soap ingredients. It lifts dirt while leaving the skin soft and supple. And it smells, well, tropical. Isn't this bar, isn't it pretty? So after the shower, you want to treat your hands. There we go. Treat your hands and your rough areas and chapped areas with Malama, the Restorative Hand Cream. It's in a base of natural ingredients, and it feels so good. And it boosts the moisture, and it soothes cracked and rough, dry skin. So, do you love the packaging? Isn't it rich looking? So, here's the catch. Since it's a holiday gift, it is a limited item as a gift set. So what I want you to do is just click the link below in the descriptions to learn more about the Malama Gift Set and how to get it. Now, if you're into sustainability and reforestation, check out the Hawaiian Co-Impact Sourcing story link. Malama Nurturing Blend was created just for celebrating this project. Happy holidays!